In today's video, we're going to be discussing a third-party app known as Smart YouTube. Basically, this is YouTube that we all know and love, just minus the ads. I can tell you that YouTube will not be very happy with me. However, many of you, like me, spend more time watching YouTube than you do watching movies, TV shows, sporting events, or anything else. If I'm bored, I can always find something to watch on YouTube. Whenever we entertain, we put YouTube music videos on in the background. I'm constantly learning from YouTube. I tend to watch a bit of sports, so I keep up the local team information on here. Since you're already watching this video, you're familiar with YouTube. So let's take a quick look at it. I've already installed it, and then I'll uninstall it and reinstall it for you. Okay, as you can see, it's got the normal interface. That's your home, your news. Many of you are already aware you can get plenty of movies and TV shows that are free with ads. Got subscriptions. If I were signed into my account, it would show my subscriptions in my library. Okay, so let's search for one of my videos. I'll just bring this one up. As you can see, there's no ads. If we press on it, we can go up and that'll take me straight to my channel. I can add closed captions here if I would like. I can remove the closed captions. Of more importance is these options, quality. You want to make sure that you have auto checked. Gives a lot better quality on it. And then of course you can use the ones that you're used to. All right, so let's find out how we got this. Okay, now I'm going to assume that you've got a brand new Fire Stick. It's first time looking. There's many ways you can find Smart YouTube. You can find file linked, or you can find it in Aptoid store, things of that nature. But I'm just going to show as though you have a brand new Fire Stick. We go over to My Fire TV, go down developer options. Out of the box, these would both be off. You want to make sure the ADB debugging's on and apps from unknown sources on, and then you turn it on, allowing you to have third-party applications. We'll go back and click Home. Go over to the search icon. Go down, we want the downloader application to help us, so we'll click DO. And there's downloader, so we'll click on it. I already have it installed. If you don't, then you'll press on this and you'll get some prompts saying download it, you own it. And then I'll ask you to install and then to open. Okay, once you get here, you're going to want to make sure you've got your settings all checked, those three boxes. We'll go over to browser, and I'm going to put in my bit.ly link. That link is bit.ly/F_L_SYT, and when I hit go, it's going to start downloading the application. This won't take very long. Now we'll install it. We're not going to open it yet. We'll hit done. Go here and hit delete. Hit delete again. Now we're going to open. So let's hit home. Go down to your apps and channels. Click once to the left. Let's go all the way to the bottom. There's Smart YouTube. Click on the hamburger saying options. It's over to the right. Move to the front. Now let's open it. When you first open, it's going to say this app can filter out ads. That's what you want it to do. So let's click yes. Again, you have your choice to sign in with the web browser, which is what you want to do so you keep track of your favorites and things of that nature. For now, we're going to hit skip. And basically, we've already gone through all of these. Check your settings. Like I say, my restricted mode's off. You make these according to your own preferences. And that's all there is to it. Now for one last thing, I want to give a nod to the developer. So I'm going to go back over to Downloader. Now that I'm back in Downloader, I'm going to put the website for the developer. I'm putting the developer's website in here, and then I'm going to hit go. I want to put this at full screen. As you see, that's the website. You can get lots of information here, including the latest releases. I like to go over to donation, and you can see we have the ability to support this developer so we continue to receive quality viewing on YouTube without any interference of ads. All right, folks, I hope you got a ton of value out of today's video and that you'll be able to enjoy hours of viewing on YouTube. If you like the information you see, please like and subscribe below, ring the bell for future notifications, and share with your friends.